Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on schedule adherence, one of the most critical workforce management metrics in call centers. Schedule adherence measures how closely agents follow their assigned schedules, including login times, breaks, and end-of-shift compliance, ensuring the right number of agents are available to handle calls, chats, or other customer interactions as planned. In this presentation, we'll break down the definition of schedule adherence and why it matters for service levels and cost efficiency. The formula to calculate adherence accurately. A real-world example scenario to make the concept tangible. And finally, key components such as login-logout compliance, break adherence, productive versus non-productive time, and even how system downtime and forecast accuracy influence overall adherence scores. By the end, you'll have a complete understanding of how schedule adherence drives operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and financial performance. Let's begin by understanding the definition of schedule adherence. Schedule adherence measures how closely agents follow their assigned work schedules, covering every critical aspect, from login and logout times to breaks and end-of-shift compliance. The purpose of schedule adherence goes beyond simply tracking attendance. It ensures that agents are available as planned to handle incoming calls, chats, or any other customer interactions without gaps or unnecessary delays. High schedule adherence directly translates into better staffing alignment. When agents follow schedules closely, contact centers can optimize resource utilization, maintain consistent service levels, and even reduce labor costs by avoiding unnecessary overstaffing or expensive overtime situations. In short, strong schedule adherence creates a win-win scenario, improving both customer experience through timely service and operational efficiency through effective workforce planning. Now, let's look at the formula for calculating schedule adherence. Schedule adherence is expressed as a percentage and is calculated using a simple formula. Schedule adherence, % is equal to time spent on scheduled activities divided by total scheduled time, times 100. Here's what each term means. Time spent on scheduled activities refers to the actual time agents spend logged in as per their planned schedule. This includes handling calls, chats, after-call work, meetings, and even breaks taken at the scheduled times. Total scheduled time is the entire duration assigned for the agent's shift, including all breaks and non-working intervals planned within that shift. This calculation gives a clear, quantifiable measure of how closely agents follow their schedules, enabling managers to identify adherence gaps and take data-driven decisions to improve workforce efficiency. Let's see how schedule adherence works in a real-world example. Suppose an agent has a scheduled shift of 8 hours, or 480 minutes, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., including breaks. Now, the agent actually follows the schedule for 7.2 hours, or 432 minutes, logging in and out exactly as planned and taking breaks as assigned. Using the formula, we calculate schedule adherence is equal to 432 divided by 480 times 100 equals 90%. This means the agent adhered to 90% of their assigned schedule. A score like this indicates good schedule compliance, helping maintain staffing efficiency and supporting service level targets without unnecessary idle time or costly overtime. Now let's explore two fundamental key components of schedule adherence. The first is login and logout compliance. This measures whether agents start and end their shifts exactly as per the assigned schedule. Timely logins ensure that calls and customer interactions are handled right from the start of the shift, while timely logouts prevent last-minute idle time or overtime costs. The second is break and lunch adherence. This tracks whether agents take their breaks and lunches at the scheduled times and for the correct duration. Adhering to break schedules is essential for keeping staffing levels balanced throughout the day, ensuring service levels are maintained even during peak periods. Together, these components form the foundation of schedule discipline, supporting both operational efficiency and service quality. Next, let's focus on two more key components of schedule adherence that directly affect workforce efficiency. The first is productive versus non-productive time. Productive time includes activities like handling calls, after-call work, and customer interactions, essentially, any task that contributes to serving customers and meeting performance goals. Non-productive time, on the other hand, includes idle time, extended breaks, or unscheduled activities that take agents away from their core responsibilities. Balancing these two factors ensures agents spend most of their scheduled time on value-adding tasks while keeping non-productive time to a minimum. The second component is intraday schedule changes. Last-minute changes, such as unscheduled meetings or sudden adjustments in shift timings, can disrupt staffing alignment and negatively impact adherence calculations. Together, these factors highlight the importance of real-time workforce management to keep both productivity and adherence scores on track. Finally, let's look at two critical key components of schedule adherence that often go beyond agent control but significantly impact results. The first is system and tool availability. Technical issues such as login failures, system downtime, or application errors can prevent agents from logging in or performing their tasks on time. Even if agents are ready, these disruptions directly affect adherence calculations and overall service level performance. The second is forecast accuracy and workforce management planning. Even when agents follow schedules perfectly, inaccurate forecasting can lead to overstaffing or understaffing, both of which impact service levels and cost efficiency indirectly. Effective WFM planning ensures that agent schedules align with actual call demand, keeping operations smooth and service levels consistent. Together, these factors emphasize that technology reliability and accurate forecasting are just as essential as agent compliance in achieving high schedule adherence. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.